guys, I'm back, kind of Clemens food review. I don't know, caught my throat, but today I'm gonna teach you how to make some dip that my dad taught me. It's really good. You need some Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. Okay, you need some cottage cheese and any kind of sour cream, chives, reduced, normal sour cream, yeah, alright. So, what you gotta do, you gotta take, so what you gotta do is that you gotta open the cottage cheese, alright, open the sour cream, okay, cottage cheese, let me lower down the view for you guys, there you go. Let's see if I can get my head in it, there we go, alright. Alright, so you're gonna take the cottage cheese and dump some up in here. Alright. Yum. Ooh, cottage cheese. Alright. Okay. Make sure you put that lid back on. Alright. Delicious. Alright, so you're going to take your Hidden Valley seasoning, dump it all up in there. Not too much, just enough. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to mix it. Alright, make sure you get the walls, everything. Oh, it tastes amazing. I coughed because I kind of got some of that Hidden Valley seasoning down my throat. It's actually pretty good. I make it all the time. What? Alright. First taste. So, on the how I made it, best way, I think it's pretty good. Alright, but use any kind of corn chips, anything, cottage cheese. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 on dip. Best dip I've ever had. Alright. Pretty good. I'm gonna have to get another chip in here. Alright. Best. So now that you guys know how to go and do this, go try it yourself. Remember, pick up like 3 things, $1.90. This is $1, this is another $1. I think that's like $3, so like $8. Yeah, right? Yeah, go try it. See you guys in the next food review. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Comment down below what I should review next. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one.